Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So as you saw in the title and thumbnail, we are doing a Hot Wheel case unboxing, and we have the Hot Wheel Case G right here. This case actually had some pretty awesome cars. I did do a previous video of a Hot Wheel G Case, and it was actually the international version, and this is the US version of it. So I am really excited. It will have the same cars, but some of the stuff with the cards are a little bit different. But some of the cars in this case are absolutely insane. I really hope we get the Super Treasure Hunt, because the Super in this case is absolutely crazy. I've not seen one in person, but the pictures of it look insane. But before we get started in doing the case unboxing, I do want to mention I am still doing a giveaway on my merch store. So it ends May 31st, and you do not want to miss out. It's a 2024 collector edition Nissan Silvia. This thing is all metal, Spectra Flame paint, even has rubber Real Rider tires. This was a mail-in collector car, so you guys do not want to miss out on this. It could be one of your guys' for free, so definitely go check it out. There's going to be a link in the description down below. Also, shopemptyparadise.com is my merch store. So when you guys go on there, you can make a purchase, automatically get entered into this giveaway. But I'm going to go ahead and set this aside. We can go ahead and get started in the Hot Wheel case unboxing. This case, sometimes they arrive a little beat up. This one just has a little tiny kind of bend right here, a little smush, so nothing too bad. I'm just going to carefully lay these on their side. I don't want to shift them around too much. At least in shipping, they probably already got a little beat up. But let me go ahead and grab my scissors here and cut this thing open. But I do want to mention on my merch store, I do have a lot of Hot Wheel mainline cars, a bunch of premium. I even have some RLC cars on there as well, and a bunch of other cars, the collector cars you do not want to miss out on. And a lot of cars from this case will also be on my merch store. I do have some that were on there from the previous time I opened an international version of this case, but a lot of the cars from this case I already have to collect, so a lot of these will already be available as this video goes live. So if you're interested in picking up some of these, go ahead, check it out, link in the description down below. And like I said, you get some of these cars, automatically get entered into this giveaway. But let's go ahead and get started right up on top. And let's see, the first three we pull out. Ooh, okay, we got a really awesome car in this first pull. So there's the Mod Speeder, and then we have the really awesome BMW M3 wagon. I know a lot of people were really excited about that car when it came out. And then we have the Zinger 21C. All right, man, nice pull right off the get-go. All right, we got another nice pull. We got the Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, the 71 El Camino, and the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT. Alright, we have the 5 Alarm, the Dragon Blaster, and the El Segundo Coupe. Ooh, okay, we got a really nice one I like. We have the HKS themed 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, the Ford GT40, and the Custom Auto. We have a Brick and Motor, a Drift and Brake, and a Batmobile, and that is from Batman vs. Superman. Got another cool version of the Hot Wheel Braille Racer Twin Mill, the Ford Performance Supervan 4, and the Fiat 500e in a really nice blue. Oh, we got a car that I love and a lot of people are going after. It's the keychain version of the Porsche 911 Carrera. And if you look, it even shows there's a little keychain with a special feature. This is pretty much an all-metal car. There's no wheels, there's nothing. Even has a little keychain loop there on the back. And even says Porsche on one side, and then says Hot Wheels on the other. So I've actually opened up one. We also have the Rapid Pulse and the 70 Plymouth Barracuda. Alright, next up we have, this thing's huge, the Mazda AutoZam, the Audi RS e-tron GT in a really interesting kind of greenish color, and the 68 Dodge Dart. And we have a Tesla Model Y in black, another Batmobile, and a Punk Rod. And we have a Runaway Rescue, a Hirohata Merc, and a 94 Audi Avant RS2. Ooh, this car's actually kind of heavy. We have the Nissan Patrol Custom, the 52 Chevy pickup, and the Jaguar Mark 1. Alright, so we have a Hot Wheel 450F motorcycle, the Mighty K, and Shark Bite. So far we have not seen the regular treasure hunt or the super treasure hunt. So I'm really hoping that either one of them is in this case. We are halfway through. Let's go ahead and pull out that divider. And like I said, I'm really hoping we at least get one or the other, or maybe both. That would be absolutely amazing. Let's see here. Alright, so we have the 71 El Camino, the Heavy Hitcher, and the Nissan Patrol Custom. And that one actually, fortunately, has a little bit of damage, but oh well. In the cars that are damaged like that, they're not going to be on my merch store. I might actually do like a little discount section or like a little clearance section with some of the damaged cars. But if you guys do hop on there, the cars that are listed are actually in great condition. And if they have damages, creases, things like that, I will not have those available, so don't worry. Alright, we have a 2015 Dodge Charger SRT, another Tesla Model Y, and another 70 Plymouth Barracuda. Alright, we have another Jaguar Mark 1, a Lolux, and another Mazda AutoZam. Alright, we have a Ford GT40, a Supercharged, and a Punk Rod. I'm surprised that we still have not seen a regular treasure hunt. Like, I know it's not guaranteed in every case, but more often I actually do get a regular treasure hunt. It's kind of interesting that I haven't seen one yet, so maybe we're not going to get one in this case. But we shall see. So I have a Humvee, a Pterotractyl, and another Hirohata Merc. Not sure if I'm saying that right or not, but I'm just going to roll with it. Alright, ooh, okay, we got a car that I know for a fact a lot of people love. But first we have the Rapid Pulse, another Porsche 911 Carrera keychain. But we have the Honda Civic Si, now finished in white. We did see that in the previous case, finished in gold. And it looks really cool, even has like the carbon fiber hood. I think the white one with the red interior looks a lot better than the gold. Even has the gold wheels too, which looks, I think, really good. But this thing will be available on my merch store. First come, first serve. I actually have a couple already on there that are available. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check them out. But let's proceed onward. We don't have too many cars left, so I'm kind of curious to see what else is in here. Oh, and we did not get the Super. But before we do that, we got the Pterotractyl, the Mod Speeder, and this is the Audi 90 Quattro. At first, I thought it was just because of the way the color is, but those are definitely the plastic tires. There's no logo behind the car, but I still think that car looks absolutely amazing. Man, the Super of that, I think, looks really, really cool. The car is also like super wide. But yeah, that would have been insane if we would have got the Super out of this case. But we did not, but that's fine. There's still some other really awesome cars. And we still have more cars to go. And who knows, maybe the regular treasure hunt will be in here. But we will see. But first we got another Ford Performance Supervan 4. Another BMW M3 wagon. And a really nice Volkswagen T2 pickup. And I really like that color on that. Alright, we have a Drift and Brake, a Batmobile, and a 72 Stingray convertible. we got another car in this poll that a lot of people are looking for right now. Not the custom auto, but the Nissan Skyline RS. It's the R30 finished in green. We did previously see that in purple. I know a lot of people really like that green version of it. I think it looks really good, especially with the red on the wheels. But yeah, that's also available. Multiples of these already on my merch store. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But also we have a Zinger 21C. Oh, we actually did get the regular treasure hunt. So it's not the 94 Audi Avant RS2, but it's the Dragon Wagon finished in a really nice cool yellow. And that right there is the regular treasure hunt. The treasure hunt logo is located just behind the wheel on the black stripe right in front of the text. And then also, I don't know if you can really see it. Let's kind of shift this around in the package. And you can kind of see the logo there with the text right behind the car. So that right there is the regular treasure hunt, which a lot of times we usually see treasure hunts in the first half of the case. It's kind of interesting seeing it that far down. I think that looks really cool. It's like obviously like a wagon, which is really insane. But yep, there's that text right there. You got the logo. You can see it there behind the car. But that right there is the treasure hunt for the G Case. So let me just kind of set that aside. We can continue. We also have a really nice car. It's the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. This thing is also really awesome. Alright, and we have, I think, 3 more cars left here. So we have another Audi RS e-tron GT, a red Porsche 911 Carrera RS2, and the Trouble Decker. So that case was pretty interesting. No super treasure hunt, but we did still get some really awesome cars, and we were able to get the regular treasure hunt, which I think looks absolutely amazing. Let me know down in the comments down below which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. But also don't forget, there's going to be most of these cars available on my merch store, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And whenever you guys hop on there, buy some of these cars for every $5 you spend, you automatically get entered into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. The giveaway does end May 31st, so get it before you can. Orders also go May 31st at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So that is your deadline. So definitely, if you guys are interested, pick up some cars. Like I said, I have a lot of stuff available. I even have some other car-related products. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and also a lot of other Hot Wheel collector car videos and even Hot Wheel races. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.